Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to get any version of the Blender and where to get any version of the Blender. It can include the previous versions, start from Blender 1, 1.0 to the future version, the Blender 3.2 and Blender 3.3 Alpha, the Alpha and Beta. So now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you where to get all this link and where to download. Right, you can just scroll down, go to my video description. I already give you three links here. The first link is to get the Blender older version, the older version of the Blender. Click the first link. It will automatically pop out by using another tab. Now you can see the index of release. It already have all the version. Start from Blender 1.0, then Blender 2, 2.8, Blender 3.0, Blender 3.1. So far until here, this is the latest version of the stable version. Alright. That is the index of release. And then the latest version is at the second link here. Click into the second link to get the latest version of the Blender. That is Blender 3.1.2 for today's tutorial. The second link, once you click in, it will lead you to here, download download the Blender 3.1.2. Alright, the next one, the third link, is the future version of the Blender. Get the Blender 3.2 Beta and Blender 3.3 Alpha. Click into the third link. Then you can download the future version. Of course, all of these future versions are still in beta and alpha. It is not yet a stable version. It may be unstable and mess up your file used at your own risk, but you can just try it. Below here, another link is all the archive builds. Once you click in, you can see all the stable version. It starts from Blender 2.8.3 and it is down all the versions, included all the beta version, the stable versions all are here, until the future version. This is the complete link for you to download. If you click into any of it, then it will come out the download link for you to download it. So this is the fourth link, complete archive. Get all the Blender version, complete archive. Alright, that's all for today about how to get any version of the Blender in the history, the previous version and also the future version. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.